Comment ma bouche est en Hi, Jen here. Today we're gonna play with the Wet n Wild Villains collection. I'm a bit late, but it's never too late, right? So I received this lovely package from Wet n Wild. I just want to go through the products and showcase them to you. First, while my face is bare, I would like to try on some of the blushes because there's a couple of them. This is the Extreme Evil Jelly Blush. It's in the shade Fiery. It has a jelly form. It's giving natural makeup. I'm just gonna swatch it on for you so you see it. It's really giving a natural. I'm gonna put a bunch so you can see. And it has a jelly texture. But as you can see, this is giving very, very natural. See, this is the type of blush it is. A very natural. And it's kind of hydrating, maybe because of the jelly consistency. Lovely, right? Right. Then we have the Bad Rep Jelly Highlighter. It's in the shade Femmes. Again, still the jelly consistency. It's giving a little bit wet and jelly. And let's swatch it on the high points of my cheeks. It feels so good on the skin. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, you can see. Wow. But in real life, it's less reflective. So all the lights in the studio is reflecting on the highlighter. I don't know how it is gonna swatch on top of makeup, but by itself like that, it feels great. And this is We Want Bite Cream Blush in the shade Wretched. It's a beautiful red blush. I'm gonna swatch it on to see what this is giving on my bare skin. Okay, it's still giving natural, but with more pigment. Oh, I like this one a lot. I think on top of my makeup today, I will try this one. It's really giving just a flush. I'm gonna add more. It's pretty, isn't it? Ooh. I like this one. I like this one better than the jelly one because it's more pigmented. I don't know if my face is red because of all the swiping or if it's actually the blush. But anyways, we also got a Sinfully Sweet Finishing Mist. And when you shake it, it's kind of glowy inside. I don't know if you can tell by the movement. I cannot wait to try this. We have two glosses with charms attached to them. It is so cute and they smell great. It smells fruity. The blue one, this is in the shade Unfriended. The pink one is in the shade Evil Witch. We also have in this collection a Bad Example mascara. It's a purple mascara. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I am not gonna use purple mascara, but it is interesting. I like the wand, how it is. It's gonna be a good separating mascara, so it's not gonna give clumpy, I can tell already. But you know what? It could be good for lower lash mascara. I could do that. Maybe. There's also liquid eyeliners and the shades are beautiful. You will be able to see the swatches. Amazing. So the blue one is in the shade Queen of Mean and the purple one is in the shade Lovely Mess. And they are so reflective. It's definitely interesting. And then came with the PR package a little mirror. I think it's ugly. It is not something I personally would use. I think I'm gonna give it to one of my cousins, my little cousins, because it's not for me, but you know, nice to have a mirror. And there's also a lip scrub lip mask that I'm gonna use today to scrub off my lips because they feel dry. And the most exciting thing about this collection, in my opinion, was the eyeshadow palette. You know, I am an eyeshadow girly through and through, and the swatches, breathtaking. Look at this. So many options. So many options. I have an idea what I want to do with this, but I'm letting it simmer in my mind And there's this lovely sponge. It's a dual, I would say dual sponge. We have the regular spongy material, and here we have a silicone or silicone side. I want to use that for my concealer today to see how I like it. Now we have this lip balm, which is interesting. This is the Be Wicked color changing balm in the shade Not Impressed. It is so interesting how they were able to make this color. So let's try this mask scrub. I'm gonna start with the scrubbing part. I'm gonna see if I see. I do feel the scrubbing. Nice. I feel the scrub. It's actually nice. Okay. The stick is already hydrating. I like it. But I'm gonna wipe it off so we can use the other side. This I'm gonna use a lot. Okay, let's try the other side, which would be the conditioning side. Feels too stiff. This is not my favorite. It really feels like waxy. Way too waxy. Let me try this lip balm right now because I'm so interested. It feels hydrating. I actually like this. Okay, Wet n Wild. Okay. It feels so nice. We're gonna move to the part I'm most excited about is using this eyeshadow palette. Like I told you, the swatches, they were great. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my CoverGirl concealer as a eyeshadow base. I will blend it immediately because this concealer, though it's great, it dries down so fast. Okay, let's dive right in. I was thinking of doing a halo eye. We'll start first with black. Yes, a black. So a little bit of black on the outer V and a little bit in the inner corner. Halo highs can be so scary. I'm scared right now, but anyways, I am going to blend this out. I'm gonna use a little bit of purple to blend the edges. This purple here, just a tiny bit. Oh, maybe this one because it's darker. Let me go with this one. I'm gonna use a clean brush just to blend the edges completely and diffuse it. In the middle of the eyes, I was thinking of using this blue shade. So pretty. I'm gonna use my fingers and stamp it on the eyes. Okay, I'm gonna go back with this brush and a little bit of black. I'm gonna mix it with this shade here. And I want to add this shimmer shade right here. When I swatched it, it was so pretty. So pretty. So I'm gonna add it on top of the blue. Ah, breathtaking. Now I wanna go back with this purple shade. I think I'm gonna mix these two together just to blend around the edges a little bit more. I am shocked by the quality of this eyeshadow palette. So pretty. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. You let me know if you want to see other eyeshadow looks with this palette. I'm gonna try the sponge with the silicone side. I want to see how this is gonna work out. Let's see. It is definitely interesting. I feel like it blends well. It really keeps the coverage though, because it doesn't absorb any of the products. Do I like it? Do I hate it? I don't know. I think I would have to keep trying it, but right now I don't hate it. I'm just not sure if I like it. I'm going to use this blush cream because it's way more pigmented than the jelly one, which gives a more natural. I'm not going to swatch it. You know what? Let's do one of each on each cheek, and then I will be able, I guess, to top it. So I will use this one first on this cheek here. Use my brush. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's more for natural days. So let's go in with the cream one. Gonna pack my brush with it because this one also is giving natural. It's so pretty. I like it. It's not too much. And it's buildable, sorry. I like it. Yes, Wetnwild, yes. And then I'm going to blend it slightly with a little bit of the deep purple and this purple as well. Gonna add just a bit of mascara. I want to use this shade in my inner corners because that's the one I use on top of the blue. Yeah. I dip once in the pan for both inner corners. I'm going to use the highlighter. Again, this is in the shade in Famous. I'm gonna use it with my fingers and just a little bit, I guess, because I'm scared. This is so pretty. Without and with. Now I want to try this stuff. I'm scared. I don't know what it's gonna do to my makeup. Is it gonna ruin it or not? Let's do one side to see side by side what it's giving. It makes my face look more dewy. This is the side without. This is the side with. Yeah. I was scared, to be honest, but this is good. You know what is gonna be great for? In winter, wearing a matte base and then you add this on top. Yeah. I want to try the plumper for you guys, so let's go and swatch them. Woo! It is so spicy. This is not my vibe. Remember the it reminds me of the NYX Duck Plump, whatever. Barely use them. The color is stunning, but my lips right now on fire, and it smells great. It's a plumping gloss. If you don't like tingling sensations, you're really not gonna like this one. Hold on. Okay. If you want to find a way to spice up your life, get these. You won't need to do anything else. What? My lips are so on fire right now. I'm shaking, guys. But this is the shade. Let me get this off my lips right now. I'm into light tingling sensations, but not burn my lips entirely sensations. What? Even my tongue is on fire right now. No, this is not okay. Wetnwild colors are pretty. The tingling sensation needs to go down a bit, just a bit. Anyways, that was it, me trying on the Wetnwild Villains collection. Let me know what was your favorite product. Let me know if you want another look using this I was gonna say foundation, but this eyeshadow palette. Stunning. The colors are stunning. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you all on my next one. Yeah. Bisous, bisous. Ciao. Cut the cameras, cut the cameras, cut the cameras.